The forward safety system in your Hyundai consists of basically two modules: the front radar behind the front bumper and also the front camera. The camera is located right behind the interior rear view mirror. These units are involved in adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane assist and other driver's assist features, so when they aren't healthy you will also get a bunch of lights and warnings on the dash. If you're getting the message saying check forward safety system, your first action is to verify that the radar area is absolutely clean and there is nothing blocking the camera view. Also, this may take some time for the system to recalibrate, so the message won't be gone immediately when you clean the radar area or demist the windshield, for example. Unfortunately, in most cases, you will be seeing this message on your dash when there are problems with the radar sensor. It's located behind the bumper and the clearance between the bumper and the radar is not that huge. Even slightly kissing another vehicle in the parking lot or any other object may easily damage the radar. In a lot of cases, it's not the radar that will be damaged, but the thin metal bracket that holds it. It's thin for purpose. In minor accidents, the bracket will immediately change its shape when the radar has any impact, and it may save the expensive radar from failure. So if the front bumper has any signs of damage, you may need to replace that metal bracket. Of course, I would start with recalibration in the dealership. This may help you if the damage is not that serious. Also, the radar sensors themselves have proven to be pretty unreliable. I know about literally hundreds of cases when these sensors were replaced under warranty in various Hyundai models. And if your car is still under warranty, it's quite okay to let the dealer replace it, but if they make you pay for it, you should try two things. Firstly, disconnect the 12-volt battery for some time and see if this will clear the warning, and if this doesn't help, have the dealership recalibrate the radar using their diagnostic equipment. Also, you should remember that the camera module may also be faulty when you see the check forward safety system warning. So before buying any parts, you should run a proper diagnostic and find out the actual codes in the control modules. And one last thing, if your car is under warranty and the Hyundai dealership says you need to buy a $700 radar because it's not covered, you need to know that it's actually covered. They may refuse to cover the radar unit in one case, if it's physically damaged, and they can't prove it. So if they find a damaged bumper or a damaged radar mount, then probably the warranty won't cover the costs. Otherwise, you should get proper coverage and should immediately contact Hyundai USA for further information and support.